Guys, we're doing Terminal 3. We're gonna take the monorail. We've already have our Suica cards, so we should add it to our Apple wallets. So that's the way we're gonna take it to Shinjuku. So let's try our best to find our way there.
Never sleep.
If you need tickets, let's go. Place our cards and let's go through. Tokyo monorail. At the
Barley
vending.
grass and kale and matcha sounds
Yeah, and we're gonna use the Suica card to see if we can buy something. There we go. And it works. And there it is. 140 yen. Our first purchase in Japan. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, that's where we're gonna exchange. Timetable. Alright, do it. Let's hope we can get the Hamamatsucho. Monorail station. The train. Take the stairs. Sorry. Alright, we gotta use the card again. Shinjuku station, and we're trying to find the proper exit. We think it's that one right over there, okay? So again, guys, that's how you use the monorail and the JR Yamamoto line to get to Shinjuku from Haneda Airport. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.